Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We are, well, I am anyway. I don't know, I always say we. I guess you guys are all along for the adventure, right? It's a little awkward coming out of there with the camera. But like I was saying, welcome back to the channel. I'm at work this week. My last set off, I went camping with my oldest daughter, but she doesn't do the whole social media thing, so she's asked not to be in my videos, which is awesome. And it's not really like she asked, she just kind of said, hey, I don't, because like I say, she doesn't do the whole social media thing. So, yeah, I went on this whole camping trip and didn't film any of it, right? Just couldn't, make sure the mic's okay here, just respect my daughter's wishes. So today we're filming a video while I'm at work, which is something I don't usually do, but try to fix my hair for the camera so I can look all pretty. But yeah, so I thought I'd show you around Snow Lake a little bit. And right now, start of this video, I'm at Wekusko Falls. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see if we can get that in the camera. Wekusko Falls Trail. It's well, obviously Wekusko Falls is on Wekusko Lake. It's the Grass River. That's that right there. I think this is actually, I think we're in the Grass River Provincial Park. I should actually maybe look that up. Maybe I'll put some text on the screen, let you know the facts when I look them up. But yeah, this is just a little day use area. I don't know if you can see it too well. Ooh, right there, there's little spots for day picnics. Although Manitoba, that's where I am right now, Snow Lake, Manitoba, fires are banned right now. Man, it's like the whole north is on fire. I think there was 4 major fires in the area right now. It's crazy. 2 weeks ago, just in order to get to work, instead of going up the middle of Saskatchewan and over to Flin Flon, which is on the border of Manitoba. Yeah, that was all on fire. So I had to like come across the province and then up Manitoba, and we had to rush because there was a fire there too. And that was, I think maybe the only way to get to work at the time. So I hightailed her across these backcountry roads, and yeah, we did some damage to the van, brand new trailer. It doesn't look so brand new anymore. It's a little scuffed up. It's actually a lot scuffed up, but that'll be my next video probably when I get home, going over all that. But yeah, as of right now today, yeah, the whole north is on fire. Here's one of these little campsite areas or day picnic areas. There you can see the falls a little bit. We'll get some better pictures of that. Let's go for a walk along this trail. Like I say, there's day use areas here. Bathrooms over there. I saw some other bathrooms. There's a little, I don't know if you can see my finger just over across the water a little bit there. It's actually just around the corner, but there's a little playground there too. Ooh, that sun is bright, 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 bright. It's actually very beautiful this week. It's like, I mean, we've had some nice days so far since winter, but this is like a whole week of nice weather, and I'm stuck at work. But at least I'm on day shift this round, which is great. Then get out afterwards and do some walking and get some fresh air. Come check out Wekusko Falls with all you guys. Oh, can you hear the water? And while we're out walking, before we get around this corner here and see the suspension bridge and the falls and whatnot, good opportunity for me to remind you guys to hit like, hit subscribe. Greatly appreciated if you do. Definitely helps out my channel. Think about it as right now today, I'm at like 296 subscribers 6 months in. That's not, I don't know, it's not so bad. Wekusko Falls suspension bridges. don't know if you just read it quick here. It says these suspension bridges over the Grass River as it enters Cusco were originally constructed by the 21st Field Squadron, Royal Canadian Rangers of Flin Flon, Manitoba. Flin Flon, that's where I'm kind of from. It's where I grew up anyway, not where I was born. What else? Oh yeah, the materials were originally donated by Hudson's Bay Mining and Smelting, and it was constructed in 1965. So constructed in 1965, materials were donated by Hud Bay Mining and Smelting. That's the mining company that I work for, or at least I have for the last 30 years now. Jeez, that's crazy. Yeah, we used to be an internationally owned company. We were owned by De Beers at one point. I think Anglo America owned us. But then we became our own Canadian mining company. They changed the name to Hud Bay Minerals. You guys hear that water? We're coming up on the falls. I am very fortunate that I live up here in the north. Oh, hey, how's it going? Another fine gentleman there out for a walk. As I was just saying, I paused so you could pass, because I'm not going to record people without their permission, but yeah, I'm very fortunate that I live here in the north, and it's just, super beautiful. Actually, it's one of the things I really like about my van life is it makes me think about what's going on around me, right? Because you just get used to all this. You see it every day, all the time. Imagine it's like people living in BC where they're all, they see the mountains every day, so it's just not so majestic. But when you go there, woo! Ooh. Oh yeah. And this is all like 10 minutes out of Snow Lake, right? So on that side of the river, there's a day use area. If you go down to the end, there's a boat launch. You can fish off there. It's supposed to be pretty good. I've never had any luck there myself, not that I'm a fisherman. But on this side, I do believe this trail goes up to it, is a whole campground. I actually think this trail just goes down to the others. Can't see me pointing, but I think it just goes down to the other suspension bridge and then comes back up around. So let's go do the whole loop. Lose my balance on the suspension bridge here. Yeah. like I say, getting out here doing all this filming and trying to make van life videos, you know, you start to think and appreciate the just all the beauty of nature that's just all around you, right? Oh, looks like there's more picnic areas. I wonder what these are. Doubt they're garbage. Maybe they're for firewood? I don't know. Oh, there's some more over there. Quite a few little nice little picnic areas here. Back when I was doing my apprenticeship, we actually, and by we I mean the boy's mother and I, we were having some relationship issues, obviously. In the end, none of it worked, but we tried. One of the things we tried was we moved here. And sure, we came out here fishing and stuff, but you know, I never really spent any time in this picnic area. It's pretty nice. Huh. So you can see there down that road goes to a boat launch, parking. And just like that, we're back at the van. Nice little 15-20 minute walk. Very beautiful. My van. Looks like a few more people showed up. It is a beautiful evening to be out. Oh, look. Blowing my hair around again. There's Wekusko Lodge over there. You can rent cabins and stuff. Oh, I didn't realize they had running water here. Nice little bathroom there. A little bit of sun. Nice little playground for the kids. I like this sign. Smoke-free playground. First thing that pops in my head is that they had a problem with toddlers smoking on the playground. Let's keep that cigarette smoke away from the kids. Oh man, that sun feels nice. One thing that's nice, well, it's not nice about the forest fires, but one thing that happens when you have lots of forest fires in the area is the sunsets get really pretty. They get all these reds and stuff in them, so. Oh man, absolutely gorgeous. Ooh, look at that sun. Well, everybody, we're gonna call that the end. We're back at the van. I am gonna make some supper, and we'll just call this video done here. I'm gonna have a little food before I go back. I'm actually gonna wait for the sunset, which happens in, I'm not even sure what time it is, about an hour. Perhaps at 9:45 anyway, my time. So, yeah, we're gonna wait for the sunset, but I'm gonna end the video here. Thanks again for checking out another video. Hope you enjoyed. If you're ever in the area, like Wekusko Falls is beautiful, beautiful. I keep seeing little TikTok videos where they say some of the 5 best places in Manitoba, and one of them they mention usually is Wekusko Falls. So I highly recommend that you guys come and check it out. Just the whole area, like northern Manitoba, northern Saskatchewan, right along the Canadian Shield, just beautiful. So come check it out if you're in. But thanks for checking out another one of my videos. Greatly, greatly appreciate it. If you would be so kind, you can always hit subscribe if you want to check out what I'm doing. You can also go back and check out other videos, see what I have done. And yeah, hit subscribe, hit like. It all helps the videos. It all helps my channel. And until next time, guys, just stay safe. Have some fun. And get out and check out some waterfalls. Catch you guys next time.